let's get started. Hey, first we're going to do some pulse triggers. I think I have an idea. So I'm probably going to switch back to white, to the blue, and the blue to the white. That's probably my idea to do. I'm going to do it this way this time. Or there we go. Yeah. Let's kind of get this started. So it'll be channel color 2 and 3. No, 1 and 2. One will be. Oh, actually, let's make sure I get this right. Let's guess. Yeah, I'll do the pulses first. I should probably get start trigger set up. Flip. Alright, I think I know how to set this up. And I forgot to put it in the wrong thing. Okay, this could be right. 2 would be. It's gonna be a bit longer. Should keep it 0.3, maybe. Like. I'll have to put them both together. That's not really. Alright, the puzzles are not really. Maybe flip it up sound really good. I'll figure out an idea later. Ah, alright. Maybe I should do a bit of background. Go here. Alright, I have an idea for the background. There's no point in doing that. Is this dude? Move you to 10. Oop, put you in a group. 14. Oop. Frame, they're not being very good at this. Or, yeah. 15. These. Make sure I put this in a group. 15. Yeah, where's the keyframe? Right here. 15, 14, 14. Oh, bottom. Okay. Mm. Yeah, no, it works. There it goes. Select. Oh, 0.5 is good enough. Yep. A little background character, why not? Probably should change speed. This time I'm going to use our isms. Or just don't add it at all. Hmm. I think it should actually go like more like this. Hmm. Here. So small little idea here is quite simple. I think I should probably maybe not add that. Hmm. Hmm. That's still behind. I don't know. Yeah, it is. Better just get rid of that. Uh, okay. Click on this, go up here, go around, right here. Is it just weird? Is it getting more unsynced the longer this is going? I really need to pick up speed here. Like here. The lines are getting longer. This is gonna be nice. Move too far up and down. Yeah, there's something. Hmm. Why? Hmm. Hmm. Inaccurate is this? Do it this way. How did? Okay. Hmm. Is it meant to go this long? And it just leaves right there. It's weird. Like right here, I probably better do like a very brand new one. 16. Hello. Working on the background. Brand new keyframe. 16, 14, 14. Like we have to find like a great. Kind of. This is like a I don't know. It's still a background. It's not fighting you or anything. I think like right here. Do one of these. Okay, see that works. Also, I found out that if you put the keyframe trigger too long, it just breaks. Which is fine. Ooh, okay. Too late. Bit earlier. Make it as smooth as possible. Ooh, just a bit. Hmm. This is for the background. There's a little guy in the background. Oh, Martian Bowman, 20 sub 10. That's still too early. I think the problem is that it's just too long. Cause look at the difference between this and this. You can barely see the lines. Way too far. And look at these lines over here. And let's compare to this. It's very weird. Hmm. You expect it. Ooh, just about there. Should make a nice particle. Yeah, I would, but I'm very bad at particles. Still. I mean, I have been trying to figure out kind of like a snowy fog thing. Oh well. Just a slight bit off. Hmm. Oh. Okay. Okay. Probably should figure this out later. We'll just focus on the actual background. Probably better to use move sugars, actually. Who knows? Alright, let's look at the particle block for backgrounds. hmm Not the pixel, not particles. Alright. This could work. Maybe. Who knows? This could be better here, actually. I have an idea. Or something else. Hmm. Nope, wrong. Line this up. This up. Okay, everything's working. Just like that. Oh, was it the other way? I'm pretty sure it was the other way. Uh, yeah. Hmm. Why is background? Why is the background usually the one I struggle with the most? Because I want to make like a more static background actually. Hmm. Maybe you could work. I don't know. I don't think it really fits. Hmm. Example that I don't know what I'm doing currently. Hmm. Right. Hmm. Oh no. Okay. So probably better use this. Let's just max that out. Missions. Hmm. Oh, like that. How's that look? Mm, Um, get rotating. Do like something like this. I kind of like that. Kind of. Spam that. Just clicking that fun button. Oh, I'm just finding it now. This is great. How does that look? Pretty good. Just gonna purposely add some bit of holes. Actually, that's a bit too forward. You gotta see that. I don't think this is good enough. Hmm. Alright, okay. Yeah, fix this. Okay. Hmm. I think we need to make it more go down, I'm thinking. Kinda like that. Hmm. Let's do that for like slightly bit more like that. Oh, hmm. Sure. Why not? Let's put that up like 77. Think I need to turn down the time to back to 1. How's that look? Hmm. Hmm. So very large. Let's just pop that up like slightly. Go back down right here. Let's not put it right there for now. Ah, hmm. I gotta figure out something to go on in the middle. Okay, still on that. Okay, where is this case right there? Hmm. Where is this? Almost there. First. Okay, kind of like the basics. Right. You somehow like fill in right here. here. Hmm. This is getting really. Yeah, I think work on this a lot later. I don't know why, but I somehow don't really like any of this for some reason. Alright, I think we should work on. Haven't finished the gameplay, I just realized. Let's go here. Hmm. Put it right here. I better just do one of these. Right there. Huh. I think I maybe have an idea for backup for that. Up. Limit that. Okay. Hmm. So let's do one of these. Oop. One. Hmm. Next orb would be a Let's go back to red orb. Why not? I'm sure a green orb will work just fine. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I think Greener works better. I think still like fly over it, but it's funny. Also have an even better idea. You hit him with one of these. Ah, I forgot the pattern. Yeah, I should put one there. This time I'm gonna do hit him with one of these. Why not? I'll use multiple. Oh well. I have a fun idea. Listen. Yes, I do create a lot, but I don't have any creator points. Lol. Oh, I should probably not make that sync. Swipe it off. So you click here, pass through that. Hmm. I gotta check the transition. I should better do that. If I beat this, because sometimes I'm kind of bad at spider at times. Uh, check this. Oh, check at full speed. Ah, mm, I love to. Yeah, I mean I do. Kind of same username. I do have Discord. Same username as my channel. Ah, I probably have to add like lots of slopes and stuff. Maybe. I just need better. Hmm. I'll figure it out. There we go. Also, I should probably. Hmm. Ah, I missed. Lou. Anyway, I should probably add space. I can extend this a bit more. Why not? Oh, ah, it's such. Oh, okay. Okay. It is synced. No, I don't like that. It's synced. Halfway, so you still click and sync to dodge. There you go. There's that. Okay, so I should probably. Why not? Like this. Mm, I'm just right now focusing on just doing this. I'm better off focusing on one thing. This is why I probably haven't done yet. Okay. Hmm. Do the same thing with this. Alright. This over here. Ah, I did the one thing you can't do. Alright. I do have a very fun idea for a background right before the part before it. I can't ignore it anymore. Okay. Okay, yeah, I go here because I want to mainly use pixel. Where's this object I was thinking? One, of course, gonna be in B5 because it's the background. Like fits. Here, I think. Just like that. 15, 18, 19. Hmm. Here it's 17, I think. 17. -1 because I'm lazy. Lock of players X. Maybe slightly a bit to the left, looks like. Gotta put them like a darker blue. Have I used color 4 yet? I think I have. Have I? No, I haven't. It's gonna be darker. Make it more obvious. Hmm. Alright, now you can tell a lot better. Here. Yep, 4, 2, 1. Speedrun this. Wait, is this the right one? 17. We're gonna find out. Wait, no. Nope, it was not the right one. Whoops. Oh, I already did that. Alright, designs are done. And I forgot I'm putting B5. This is fantastic. There we go, that looks just right. I'll move up 10. And it's gonna bounce out. And 19 is gonna do -10. Actually, let's do. Why not? Let's try 30. That's probably not the smartest idea. Whoops. So 18. Here will be 19. Like, okay. For moving this back one. And yeah, I don't do anything there. That's nice. And you're deleted. Oh, okay, that's just annoying. Yeah, just move this back one. Why not? Now we have lots of space here. Oh well. We. This is not on the bottom. I want to see. Okay, it'd be normal. -1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Save. I did a very bad sync job. Hmm. Look at that. It's hello. Hmm. Yep. Uh, I mean, what do you think? I think I'm pretty okay. I just struggle with ideas. This is gonna be like my. I gotta fix my boss designs. Yep. I think I'm pretty okay. I mean, I haven't gotten a critter point yet, so I guess I'm not really that good. Nope. I have enough projects for now. Better be locked in and focused on one thing than another. I know. Mm, Yeah, I'm not really interested. And plus, I'm not a moderator, so I can't really rate levels. Only RobTop does that. And plus, it's not a level request. Just build. You too. Step behind. It is behind one. That's not gonna bother me at all. I realized I broke the pattern. Right. No, I did not. There we go. Wait, what? Okay. There's been 3 ESS. Been 3. Oh, it's so off. It's making. Oh, Oh man, I was so tired making this gameplay. No, my brain was so dead. Oh, wait. No. Oh, I think that's what happens when you. What? Okay, what is going on? What? Something doesn't seem right. I'm trying to sync up to the music, and yet I didn't. Unless I messed up on my end. I don't think I did. Mm, Okay, something doesn't seem right. I don't know. It's synced. Mm, okay. Is, is it just me, or is this like off synced for some reason? Oh my god. Do one of these. Oh, love that. Whoops. Hmm. Why is my brain ain't working? No. There you go. Uh-huh. Hmm. Let's get back on this. Bam. First, I gotta do my Ryu. So I do this time. Alright. Hmm. Why is it here? Where? Okay, here. Okay, I'm getting everything on sync. My brain needs fuel. Even that's not right. Getting getting everything wrong. This is great. Fantastic. No. That my brain is so fried. Okay, it is later. Alright, let's test it out. Alright, this is... Hmm. Hmm. Something in that is off for some reason. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. The movie seems some random. I don't know. Hmm. Hmm. Get this right. Let's see what looks good. You. Dropping. Upstairs. Yeah, that way. There we go. Four. Forgot to count. Okay. Let's see how this looks. Hmm. We should change the coloring. Like a darker sheet. Sheet of and darker. I should change that slight bit. Hmm. Hmm. There you go. Nice. Nice. Color should stay with this, but like slightly darker. At least some way you can tell. Make it a bit dark. Looks like it's dark enough and not clearly noticeable. Looks good. Hmm. Hmm. Oh my god, that's should probably work in a different part. Oh yeah, I've got JBlocks exist. Make sure it makes sense. Make it looking good. It's going pretty good. Figuring out the keyframe trigger. Probably use less of these. That's gonna take twice as long. Here. Add like a new setup right here. Yeah, sounds about right. If I can find the keyframe trigger again. Oh, there you are. New group. There we go. 20. Huh. That does sound strange. I think like maybe right here's when it happened. like that. I don't know why. Let's do that a couple times. Oh, I mean, the only thing really happened. Ah. He's showing lightning speed. Let's have him take his time a bit. Let's catch up. Yeah, that's true with pets. I would know. Here you go, do that. I'm not. Have him pick up. He's right here. There we go. Yeah, it is. Sometimes you'll need it. Mm. Oh, 5. Hmm. Uh, I think it's slightly a bit off. That's funny. Oh well. I think I can make it. Yeah. Yep. Oh, don't rotate. So, that is true. Oh, he's going too fast. Here, then you're just gonna dip down and he disappears. Little dude. There we go. Have ground diagrams. Are you talking about? I think I know what you're talking about. These guys you're talking about, I'm pretty sure. I just typically tip with half stuff, and plus I'm sticking with funny. Was it these? I don't know. I don't usually go for quarters. I just do half and whole. Tab left the saws. Oh, these guys. Oh. Yeah, because you move half with this. It's like a quarter. Anyways, we're giving him a name. Hmm. Giving him a name. Hmm. We're calling. Nope. We spelled it Tim spelled like that with two M's. Tim. There you go. His name is. Uh, uh, yeah. So the idea for this part is that this Tim will be in the background, attacking in the background mainly, and while you're being like right over here, kind of like you see in the background, he dips and he'll have an upgrade, which is at the drop, and this is what he's gonna look like later, right here. And here's my attempt on upgrading Cryogen. My head's a bit goofy, but oh well, I'll fix it later. Or just not, just let him just chill. But anyways, the background. This time it's not gonna be how I typically make backgrounds. Watch me accidentally do that. Yeah, that could work. Anyways, I gotta fix something. I meant to do like a long time ago. Get darker. Now you can tell it's the background. Then do something here. Actually, let's go a bit brighter to like. Hmm. Anyways, back. Hmm. It's kind of want like ice, like large ice spikes in the background. I kind of want it. Unless I could just scale this up. That'd be funny. Scale it up. More like beef. It's like that. It won't be that. No. Hmm. Honestly, I think this would work. Wait, did I accidentally like? Probably did. Hmm. I don't like you see much, even though I might see it because, well, I'm gonna add like. Also, another idea for this part is I'm gonna add like kind of a mix of snow and fog in the top and bottom to cover up some space, and also pretty looks pretty cool. Let's fix it up here. It's kind of weird not making my typical background. Let's have something just moves. Or this not. Who knows? Maybe this won't be. We're gonna find out. Hmm. I think I spit too close, but we're gonna find out. Maybe, who knows? You'll never know what it looks like until you play it. Let's just finish this up. I thought that was the end, but nope. Flip on stretch. Hmm. Alright, see how it looks. Nope. Alright, we're gonna. I don't know what I need to do. Details, next color 6. It's gonna be just like gray. Darken that up. Now that looks ugly. I should bring back 2 here. It still looks ugly. Alright, that won't work. Hmm. Yep. Alright, we're gonna do that background later. Let's try this again, baby. Alright. Oh no. It's gonna go one or two ways. I'm gonna make something a snowy, a bit foggy. Maybe you size that up. Hmm. That maybe a bit down, mainly down. Max this up, this up a bit. How does this look? Ooh. Hmm. Let's just change this. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe just a bit more gray. Just rotate this. There we go. Maybe this would work. I think it'll work. This right here is gonna be. Hmm. This is like way too low. Oh, you're already upside down. I don't think this would be a useful spike. I don't know. Probably better put like right here. Hmm. Hmm. I'm gonna go put it right. Hmm. Alright. Ooh. Alright, we gotta get rid of that background. Hey, what group are you? Group 5. Oh. Hmm. here. Group 5's just gone. Hmm. And same thing with 4. And that's gone. That looks a lot better. Alright. Hmm. Ocean in a frozen ice cave. This sounds like a great idea. Hmm. Kinda wanna like simulate kinda like an ice storm. Up. Let me just kinda like that maybe. We had the block shift around the beat of the song, yeah. I mean my idea is have these move up and move down. What's that? I think it's bounce out to make it 8-bit. Oop, come on. I zoomed in. It's too. Okay, right here. Hmm. It's the control. Oh. Whoops. Hmm. Ah. Hmm. God. I kind of like this. Here's the real question. How would... Oop. Is in that little segment? Yeah, I could. Perhaps not just. I'm gonna do this. Hmm. Okay, where are you? Hmm. So is it? Okay. I don't think this would be good enough under it, but we'll figure something out. Hmm. 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 I wonder what shaders I can use actually. Hmm. I'm gonna sync this up. Nope. String going for you. Hey, what is it? Speed defines. I wonder if I could. That. Something like that. Oh, that really does work. That's something probably like that. Hmm. Alright. Alright. Hmm. Hmm. Bit of grayscale and do a Sigma as well. Yeah. Okay, that is useful. So I guess. Ooh. Yes. Hmm. Like you have. Come on. Okay. Oh yeah, it takes over much. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Mm. Okay. It's probably gonna waste a lot of time just doing that. Probably should focus on background. I should do my normal types of background. I already did that style later. Hmm. Maybe I should do these. Okay, we'll see what works. Well, think about the background. Okay, I think ooh, wait a minute. Okay, found something. Hmm. 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 Uh, hmm. Breaking my own rules. Let's go. Yeah, it looks pixelable enough. You know, it's not in the pixel area. I mean, it probably is, and I'm just dumb. Oh man, I can't ignore that. Like, no. Hmm. These are force class. Yeah, I don't know how to make it redo it so I don't have to waste a lot of objects. But I know it's definitely possible, but no. This doesn't look. Wait, is this? Nope. Say do this. I don't think this would work well. Who knows? Let's find out. No. Hmm. No. I, looks like we're just gonna find something. Hmm. Nope. I thought it was netted, but apparently not. Hmm. I mean, probably yeah. I can. Not very well, but yeah. The weirdest way I walked. I think this object will look. Hmm. I forgot to put it. Wait, was it on B4? No, it was not. Hmm. Yeah. I say so. You should make it a bit brighter. Yeah, I think I like that. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I definitely can. Not gonna try it. Not gonna do it now. I need to lock in. Hmm. Hmm. That's like 30 minutes doing all that. Wow. Man, this is gonna take a bit doing this. I had to do it for the great. This is, this level's gonna be great. I hope this level ends up good. Actually, last up. Yeah, it kind of looks like ladders, but let's talk about something else. I can see that, but oh well. Looks like ice. Looks good enough. I don't know if it's theme, but it looks good enough to me, so that's what matters. Which is why I have some strange choices in the background, some people say. Or some people, I mean, some random comment I found. I hope this doesn't end up like my last level. Mm. Hell no. Hmm. Nope. I still need to think of the pulse trigger, because I'm gonna have to use that. Because otherwise, I don't know. I just really need to use the pulse trigger. Really gotta think, because I really have no idea how to pulse this. I changed my mind on this. Happens. I don't think I should put any of these there. Hmm. Did that just stop? That trigger that I used for the next part, not next part, the spider part, did I just let it just stop? It did stop. What? Was, oh, I forgot that. G blocks. Hmm. Hmm. This is where I struggle the most. Making levels, I mean, I don't usually struggle in pulse triggers though. I don't know why I am now. I don't know how to pulse this. So I tried using flip-flop colors each one, but that doesn't look good. That's the problem. Or maybe I have to go slow. Maybe I have to do that. Like this and two is like that and like hold up for like, I don't know, let's just do two. Two. can't find 5. Hmm. Wait a minute. Alright, I think I have an idea to be able to do this. I gotta do my. Don't want to do this. Change speed. Duration 0. -5. Okay. Time warp. 0.75. Oh, there we go. I have an idea. That gave me an idea. That gave me an idea. That gave me an idea. I'm going. Can't be 1 because it's already white. And how do I make it? Huh. This is gonna be like barely noticeable if I go brighter. But that's probably have best. Just go white. Alright. So my idea is, well, you probably can see it. Oh. Can see one thinking. Haven't done this yet. Switch back to this. So I can see a bit better. Zero. Let's see. Okay, I'll slightly a bit later. verify edge case from true. Yeah, I mean, the background color doesn't really matter because I'm just gonna fill it up with stuff anyways. But yeah, I think that'd be a lot better for the background. It's just fill it up completely. I mean, the color really doesn't matter because my background's usually stuff like this. Well, the background is black is what I usually do. Probably would do here. Next one, this. Oh, no. I have an idea for this small part. Ooh, yeah. Three more. The in. Shit. Yeah. Uh, wait. This is a bit later. Over here. If you making a some GD. Yeah. Oh wait, that song. I just remember what that song is. Oh, okay. Good luck on that. Is that this? This. Hold up. Is it four? I can't really tell. Oh, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. So edit song is -12, and we're going to 0.5. Haven't done this in a. Ooh, come on. Nope. There we go. That's. Oh, okay. Not that song. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, now I understand. Still feels off. I don't know. I think I got it right. I'm just. Yeah. Well, like, I typically pick a more upbeat song. Typically. Test pulses. Yeah, that is. That it would be a lot handy. But I just like showing how you do it just in case someone else wants to. I don't know. It's just something personal I like to do. Nope. Yeah, I also do that sometimes. Brain sometimes just dies. That is right here. Wait a minute. Wait. Alright. Ooh, wait, is that right? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Wait, is that sun off? It does. Nope. Like half. Is it here? There it is. So it sounds slightly a bit off. Hmm. Uh, yeah, I do. It's funny enough, I completely, oh, yeah. I was gonna check it like right after I was done with something. Then I realized I forgot to have the chat or the live chat arrive after when it was done when it's public. So yeah, I kind so that's kind of my fault on that. That is. Not bad. Wait a minute, I just have a really good idea. Slight rotations. Wait a minute. I just heard like this right there. Right here, I heard something. It'll be a really good idea to have like a slight rotation for some reason. So yeah, just type in the ID in my GD account, which is the same name as the channel. No big deal. Yeah, I just don't want levels ruined by bugs like one mine's did. Is that one? One space. Wait. Have this. Hmm. Mhm. Yeah, that's fine. And also hello. Hmm. So I, so do I need to use it or should I need to spam? Kind of like beginner easy demon or an insane 9-star or a harder 9-star is what I'm going for. It might be more of a 9-star, but who knows? Right now I'm trying to get the pulses perfectly. Here comes this part. Let's do one. Saying fast enough. No. Lower it by half. Make a slight difference. This is about... No, that's not the real... Hold up, let me quickly just... It's about 1 minute and 53 seconds long. Just about 2 minutes. Just do this. Back at point 2. Nope. Further. Actually, right here. Yep. No, it's not the eternity of the song. The song is about... The song loops because it's, for, well, a boss. Cryogen. So it loops again. So I probably ended like right at appropriate time. Yeah, that makes sense. That's why sometimes what I usually do, actually I do that sometimes. No, I don't usually do that. Mm. Yep. Going back over here. Wait, is that good enough? It is there. Not good enough. That seems enough. Nope, not late enough. Bam. Okay. Supposed to, there's like a rated demon heads. There's 3 levels. Yeah. I was That's kind of funny. I never usually search song. I wish I do. It would be trying to get 1,000 stars with one song. That'd be a really funny idea for a video. Probably would use that to be the light, considering it's the most common. But is there like 1,000 stars worth of levels that you can use by just using one song? That's a real question. mean, I already doing it with the Reason Staff, so I'm not going to do another one. That also means that I'd be too extreme demons if I do at speed of light. Brainless. Hmm. Yeah, I'm just thinking of like a dumb video idea or a challenge. That's what I'm thinking about. Not really demons, just trying to get 1,000 stars using one song, which is something very, not very smart. Nope. Nope. Hmm. Yeah. That sounds nice. I can also quickly find it. Yeah. Yeah, you could. I can actually find it like right here, actually. Let's do God. And I have to oop, shit. Hmm. Oh yeah, you gotta click one object. Whoops. Hmm. Yep. Alright, let me just go all the way to the end. What just hopefully I got that right. I probably did that wrong. 10, 8. There, now I typed that right. There we go. Now let's get back to this. How close am I? Oh my god, I'm like, no, I'm like halfway. It's been like way too long. Okay. Happens when you do pulse. This is like, magnum opus is. Hmm. Yep. I'm mainly excited for an upcoming project I'm doing, which is gonna be a 5-minute asymmetrical dual level. I'm mainly excited to make. I'm still looking for a song. I know I wanted 5 minutes, or at least around 5 minutes, because it'd be funny. that right amount? It is the right amount. Maybe. So that's still. I don't know why I checked. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's fine. We all have that. Hmm. It's just. Oh no, I'm in unsynced. No, the one part that you should have messed up in the sync, I messed up in the sync. Ah, shit. Here, yeah. Up here. Up here. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay, something's off. Something's off here. Something's off, something's off, something's off. This could be Alright, I think I got that. Can't believe how. That, check the time. Oh, okay. Alright, let me just quickly check how this is going. Forgot. Okay. Looks good. Alright. Sadly, out of time, I gotta do other things. Oop. But I'll be here tomorrow, same time as I start. So I'll see you later.